Jai Hind everyone, this is Harshika Saini and today I am going to speak on the topic that is very active these days, and the topic is the Venezuela's case. So starting from a very basic question, that how can a country with the largest amount of oil reserves can suffer a lot? And the answer is very simple, because of internal misunderstandings. Venezuela is a country in South America. It has one of the largest oil reserves among all the countries. So we think that it should be the most stable country. But unfortunately it is not. It faces a lot of crises. And before this, Venezuela has become the topic of news a lot of time also. But the reasons before were different and the reasons now are different. So one by one, let us discuss that what were the reasons before and what are the reasons now. So starting from the crisis, that Venezuela is facing a lot of crisis, and the very first reason is the economic crisis. Here people are working but are unable to live a normal life. The prices of basic things, that is food and medicines, is very high. People are standing in lines just to get a plate of food. Then comes the political misunderstandings. Here the government and the opposition parties both are claiming that they have the powers and controls, and both the parties do not trust each other, and this confusion and misunderstanding results in violation and protests. And now coming to the global crisis. Many countries are interested in Venezuela because of oil, and here many countries supports the government, meanwhile the other supports opposition, and this confusion again creates a big problem. So these were the reasons that the news was a local news. But now let us understand that what made this news international. Recently, USA has intervened into the internal matter of Venezuela. Understanding in a very simple language कि USA ने अभी रिसेंटली एक मिलिट्री ऑपरेशन में वेनेजुएला के प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर मडूरो को उनकी पावर से हटा दिया गया और उनकी वाइफ को और उन्हें अमेरिकन कोर्ट में ले जाके उनके ऊपर चार्जेस लगाए गए हैं. एंड अमेरिका इज नाउ ट्राइंग टू इन्फ्लुएंस ओवर द वेनेजुएलन ऑयल. And this is a very serious issue because one country has directly entered into the internal matter of the another country. But let us know that why oil is so important for Venezuela. It is so because globally many countries are dependent on this, and it is in a very large amount. So the country, whoever will take the power or the charge of Venezuela's oil, will get the strategic and economical powers, and therefore many countries are closely looking into this matter. Now talking about the global reactions of other countries. Some countries are supporting USA, meanwhile the others are saying that this is the violation of sovereignty. Countries such as China are unhappy. And now adding a defense perspective to this. From this case, we can learn three main lessons. The very first is the military power plays a very huge role in international politics. Second is that natural resources can become the reason of conflicts between two or more countries. And the third, a poor leadership can result into the intervention of the other countries into one country. And so as future officers, we need to understand that how security, economy and diplomacies are interconnected. So summing up my video, I would like to say that Venezuela is in news recently because of three major reasons. The very first is the foreign intervention. The second reason is the removal of leadership power. And the third reason is control over oil. And this case reminds us that a nation should be internally strong to become independent externally. Thank you. Jai Hind.